Hey creator, Justin here. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to connect your Notion account to Slack. Let's go ahead and authenticate that process. I'll go ahead and share my screen and teach you exactly how to do that. We can head over to Notion. I've got the Notion app right here in my dock. I can open it up, and what we'll need to do is go into the top left of Notion in order to connect our Notion account to our Slack. We'll press this drop down right here. We'll click that one time, and we'll go ahead and hit settings. And then this will take us into our settings page for our Notion. And in order for us to connect our Slack, we'll need to go down under workspace. We've got workspace right here. And we'll need to go down to where it says connections. So we'll click on connections. Now that we're on the connections page, we'll have to go up to where it says workspace. It says workspace new. We can go ahead and click on that. And then there's an option where it says discover new connections. And we can press get answers about public Slack channels and conversations using Notion AI. And we can just hit the connect button right here in order to connect our Notion AI to our Slack page. So I'm going to go ahead and zoom out. I'll press that connect button one time, and then it pops up and says get answers from Slack and Notion. Slack permissions are strictly respected. Notion members can only get AI answers about content they are authorized to see in Slack. Notion does not train models on Slack data, and AI answers always cite sources for verification. You'll want to go ahead and press this blue connect button in order to connect your Slack. And it says follow the instructions from Slack in your browser. Slack should open automatically in a new tab. If you're a Slack workspace administrator, follow the instructions to connect and then return to this window. If you're not an authorized user to install apps, then you'll need to request access to the connection and then revisit to continue setup later. So I'm going to go ahead and open this automatic link in my browser. And we have successfully opened up the Slack notification here. It's automatically open, and it says Notion AI is requesting permission to access the Visionary Pass Slack workspace. So if you're not logged in already, you will need to log into your Slack account, and then you can come down here and hit this green allow button in order to successfully connect your Slack account to your Notion. So I'm going to go ahead and press the allow button once. It'll process here, and it'll start connecting the dots. And just like this, it asks us to open Notion back up. So I'm going to go ahead and open Notion. And now it allows us to connect the channels. So connecting more channels, connecting Slack channels will give you more relevant and useful Notion AI responses. So I can come over here, I can say all public channels, and then I can also check this box right here that's already automatically checked, and it says add public channels created in the future. So all of our channels are right here inside of Slack. I can go ahead and press the connect button at the very bottom in Notion, and it will magically connect all of these together. So we're getting you set up. Notion AI will join all public channels in Slack. Connecting to your channels may take up to 36 hours, and Notion AI will be ready to answer questions across Notion and Slack knowledge. Got it. You just press that button right there, and we can see that the connection is in progress. So it may take a while for Slack to be authenticated, but we have successfully connected Slack to our account. Now that I'm logged into Slack, I can see over here in the left side, we've got Notion AI. The apps are available right here, and it's starting to, connect to all of my various channels. And this is the very beginning of the Notion AI collaboration. I can head back over to Notion, and as soon as it is connected here, I will see a little check mark and that we are good to go with Notion connected. And that is how you connect your Slack to your Notion account.